Hey Marlborough, have you ever heard of our new fundraiser, Miles for Marlborough? Let's kick it off right now. This fundraiser will be held on Friday, October 4th. Today, you can start collecting donations from your family, friends, and neighbors. Remember to always be safe. If you're going to knock on doors, bring a parent or trusted adult with you. Family, friends, and neighbors can also donate online. Our goal is to raise $14,000. I know we can do it if we work together as a team. Check out some awesome pictures from last year's nature walk. Look at all the kids enjoying their water after doing their miles for Marlborough. This year, we'll also have some fresh fruit for you to snack on after you're done with your walk. Mom and Dad can also join you if they want to. They just have to make sure they have the right paperwork turned into the main office. There's awesome prizes for everyone just for participating. Our top collector, first place, is a family membership to the Da Vinci Science Center in Allentown. Sweet! Our second place top collector is going to be a free movie in the balcony at the Grand Theater for you and 9 friends and 2 adults. How cool is that? Our third place top collector is a surprise teacher experience. Guess we'll see what surprises might happen. There's also a student challenge. So every student from each class that raises the most money will be invited to participate in a pizza party and play Gaga. How cool! There's also a principal's challenge. So the classroom with the most participation with envelopes returned and donations received will win the Principal's Challenge, a party at Bounce U. Doesn't that just sound so awesome? So Marlborough, I know we can do it. Let's get out there and raise some money. This fundraiser helps us out with field trips and cool technology things, and maybe even some new playground equipment. Doesn't that sound great? Thanks for listening to my special public service announcement. Let's get out there and raise some money, Marlborough. I know we can do it.